What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounding. Test, test, test. All right, we're sounding good. We're sounding good. So yesterday was kind of a retracement day and low volume day. Kind of was wanting Friday and Thursday to be the retracement day, but yesterday ended up being a retracement day because again, we'll break that down a little bit. We just started live stream. We're gonna break some stuff down in a little bit, y'all. We're gonna wait a few more minutes for some more people to hop up in here. Then we're gonna go ahead and start breaking some of this stuff down. Got a few setups we're looking at. I got 2, 2, 3. So we got a few setups we're looking at. As far as news today, we do got a few news events. At 5 a.m. we got GBP news. 8:30 we got Canadian news, and that's pretty much it for the day. So again, we're just simply waiting for volume and confirmation to pick up. Just dropped the Bitcoin weekly analysis for y'all yesterday. Make sure to check that out if you haven't checked that out yet. Those who join the stream, we have not entered this trade yet. This is the trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free Signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we get any charts, drop them in the chat. But y'all already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. So if y'all was on the live stream yesterday, especially the live stream for Thursday and Friday, we was talking about how a lot of these charts, right? Not necessarily GU. I mean, we're on GJ. Like when we go on to GU, and we go to last week, we can see literally this was Friday the week before. This was Monday last week. We can see how Friday ended. So we see all last week price made this lower low, this huge drop to the downside. We see the same thing with gold. We caught Jordy nicely with a gold drop last week as well. Again, we go to last week. We see this was Friday. All right, this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Right. So again, all last week just like a GU, huge drop to the downside, huge lower low. Right. All red all last week. Let's use with a couple of the charts where GU was kind of just consolidating all week last week. Right. So we had huge drops a lot of these charts. And again, if price is dropping or shooting up on one side, retracements aren't part of the game. Retracements have to happen. So that's kind of what's taking place right now. And yesterday we had some retracements take place. Same thing with NAS, right? We made all-time highs and we failed to hold this low support. We had a reversal, failed to hold this low as resistance yesterday at 24.80. Now we're retesting this level above us to see if we can hold as resistance right here, which we are holding as resistance. So again, what we're going to be looking for with NAS is if it breaks back below 20,470, we can see the downtrend continue, but if it starts to break past, especially if it breaks and holds 20,800 as support, I'm turning bullish momentum back into play. Just like what GU was looking for sales, failed to hold as low as resistance, ended up retracing, but we see it's holding this low as resistance above it. So again, we're going to be looking for sales again, just like yesterday. So if GU can't hold 2635 as resistance, we can look for continued sales going to 2600, plus down to 2565. So that's what we're going to be looking for right. Then we're also going to be looking for possible GJ sales. Again, we can see on the daily time frame the consolidation and the reversal last week. So GJ can break the whole 195 as resistance. We can look for sales going to 193.70. So we got a few charts we're looking at. And we also can see possible GN sales here also. So we got a few charts we're looking at right here. New 15 just popped up. New 5-minute just popped up. So we see GN just broke this level again. If GN can hold 1490 as a resistance, we could look for sales going to 1420 and possibly down to 1325. That's what we're looking at GJ and GN for possible sell setups right now. Yeah, I'm liking how this is looking. I see how this closes right here. All right, so again, we're about to see this could hold right here. GJ looks like he's about to try to break this level as well. So we might see some action in a little bit. Now, again, we do got GBP news at 5 a.m., so do keep that in mind as well. We got GN just broke this also. The only charts I really like right now. Everything else, like I said at the beginning of live stream, is kind of retracing right now. Again, if GJ can hold 195 as resistance, we can look for sales going to 193.55. That's what we're looking at right here. Guys, got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When looking at these charts, drop them in the chat. Might get some action. Yeah, we might get some action right here. Again, the GM has been kind of consolidating for a very, very long time. You look right here, this was the end of October when we had the higher high. So literally all of November so far, price kind of just consolidating and ranging. Finally broke this level. We was looking for this level to get broken last week as well, but we can see on Tuesday and Wednesday that didn't happen. They was looking for this yesterday. Obviously, that didn't happen yesterday. Yesterday, price again retraced. And then you see the week brought price all the way back down. You can see when we go to a smaller time frame, right? Again, you see London session, which was right here, was looking for, but didn't break that level. Retested this level, then dropped back down. And then you can see it's been chilling here since literally 12 o'clock yesterday, 12 p.m. that is. Yeah, so I like how these two are looking out here. The only thing I don't like is right next to the news. And I typically don't like enter trades right before the news. I like to enter trades before, a few hours before the news or an hour or so after the news. And I go over all the rules and stuff I use and apply on news days and go out trading news days and my how to trade news playlist. So make sure to check that out if you have not checked that out yet. I'm about to drop that in the chat for y'all right now. This weather change got me messed up. I usually don't be congested. My nose is irritating me right now. So I sound a little bit wonky though. But good GJ, y'all. But good GJ. GM might try to follow through later as well. Looks like GU is starting to wake up also. I jumped in this. Y'all should be nice and blue and green right now. Make sure I like that stream, y'all. Make sure I like the stream and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Look at that. That thing is ripping right now. GU and GM might try to follow suit. Look at NAS too. NAS is about to come back down to here as well. Again, yesterday we hit TP1 twice. So this wasn't just didn't do the full move I was looking for. It hit TP1 twice, and then it rejected, as you can see. Posted that recap yesterday. I could show the trade signal. Yeah, the trade's not valid unless it meets all the confirmations again, but you know, I'll show it to those that's up in here. Just another pro and perk of being in the live stream, so shout out to y'all. Let's go ahead. Where's it at? All right, here it is. Right. So this was the trade we took yesterday. On entry, I sell the TPs. We hit TP1 twice, and then it rejected a level. And then this is why I sent the screenshot to the members, basically explaining what happened with the trade. So that NAS rejected the level, so either waiting for price to continue to hold this level as resistance and push back down, or to hold that level of support and reverse and bring that bullish momentum back into play, right? So again, you see how that trade looks. You see the screenshot. This is at 12:54 p.m. I sent that. But you can see here that ended up rejected, so pushing back down, consolidating, retested, and obviously volume pushing back in, pushing back down. So again, if it can break as low as resistance, we can go for another attempt in round 2 on this. Because again, we are showing bearish momentum, especially after that big reversal, right? And we can see here now this is 2 days that we're holding this low as resistance at 20,650, which is a good sign. But now we just need to hold this low as resistance. And like we talked about in the Sunday chart analysis, we are a little bit of work to do, because we do have the strong level of traffic right here that price is going to have to blow through to make that next lower low for the downtrend to really go into play. Look at that, bro. Look at that. That's stupid right now. I'm going stupid right now. Love these setups. Hey, I'm glad. That's why I do this. That's why I do this. Because again, I do this for a bunch of different reasons. One, so people know that I'm not just, because when I first started, people used this, of course, think, oh, anybody can just, break something down after it happens, or, anybody can call something after price does this or that. It's a lot different when y'all see me, do these breakdowns daily and weekly basis and be accurate more times than not. There's a whole other thing when I break this stuff down live, and then you see price do exactly what I'm talking about live or later on that same day, right? I also do this to show y'all a little bit what's going on behind my scenes, but also show you how simple it is once you understand just the simple market structure, how to read the charts, right? I was talking to a student about this the other day. There's a bunch of quote-unquote traders out there, but majority of them don't know the most important thing, which is how to read the charts. Because again, we make money based on the charts, we lose money based on the charts. Price, so it's important to understand how the charts work, right? Because again, most of the stress, confusion, all the other stuff that we, traders be struggling with comes from the lack of understanding how to read the charts and risk management. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that was a big ass dump. So we gotta still see if it can hold. You can see here that broke through the previous low point from Friday's trade setup. We also broke this down and entered this during Friday's live stream as well. So you go to last week's live stream on the 15th. You will see that we not only broke this trade, I've also entered this trade live. I can show that as well. Right, this was November 15th. You go to when the trade was entered, you see 3:33 a.m. So I was literally in the middle of London session. You see the entry, I sell the TPs, see the TPs getting hit. New one live during the news with the members and stuff like that. Drop the recording. We go live at least twice a week during New York news events with the members. Answer the question right down the trades. I also show y'all how price really moves during news and how to go about it. All recordings are posted in here just in case you missed the live stream. But then again, you can see GJ literally tanked the entire day. This is a continuation of that. But again, it did a retracement yesterday. A lot of these charts end up doing retracements yesterday. The retracements are a part of the game. It's going to be interesting to see if NAS can break this level right there. And we see gold still retracing. We're just going to let gold do its thing, right? Now, if it can continue to hold 2630 as resistance, it can bring sales going back down to 2605, positive down to 2585. But we still got to wait to see how it reacts to that level there, because it did a huge drop all last week. And Thursday and Friday, those in the live Thursday and Friday, I was talking about how we can anticipate a retracement on those days. That's what I wanted to see happen. But instead, we're having that happen beginning of this week. But it's all good. It's all good. All right, new 15 just popped up. So now we're about to see if GJ can hold this low as resistance. And we're also looking to see if GN can hold this low as resistance, as well as if GU can break this level. And we're also going to be paying attention to see if NAS can break that level again. Got 5 a.m. GBP news. So in about an hour and 15 minutes, we're going to have GBP news pop off. And then at the beginning of New York session, 8:30, we got Canadian news. So that's all the high impact news we got for the day. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. All right, y'all. So it looks like price is going to be kind of chilling right now up until maybe the news. Again, we do have a news event at 5 a.m., so do keep that in mind. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure that first link in the description, join a free signal free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, the signal service, or the mentorship program, you already know what to do. Make sure to hit those links in the description. And yeah, we're gonna be back at the same time tomorrow, London session 3 EST.